Yeah, I think they renovated. Ito yung dekorot ng bahay. You can do whatever you want at this backyard, right?
Yes.
Like you can open it, put the cars in. It's up to the owner, right?
Yeah, because you have this gate right here. What some people do is they'll make a concrete pad.
Yeah.
And then you can park your car.
What year is this built? This house?
This one here is built in 2011.
Oh, so it's fairly new, yeah.
100 square feet, 3 bed, and 2 baths, and 2 half baths.
My duplex with 1400. It's kind of big.
It is. That's a little bit of surprise. We'll take a look and see.
Hello! Welcome back! At wala nga pala ngayong araw na to si Alaine. Kaya naman, pinasama niya sa amin today si Carlo para magtingin pa ng ibang mga properties.
So nobody's living in this house anymore?
I think somebody's still here.
Ganda. Two car garage.
2 car. That's right. The garage is 19 by 19.
Oh, for jackets.
Closet.
Is that the entry? Oh, there's no washroom here? Half bath? Ah, here. Yeah, let's see. Let's check. Oh, this is the basement. Wait, don't keep it open. You can enter. Yeah. So yun nga, may cats doon sa ilalim. Cats. 3 cats.
So, sasara natin.
Yeah. Let's check. Basement.
Are they sarado ko ha?
It's so nice.
Wow!
Yan ako balat pa na tayo.
Yeah. It's your fault.
Yeah. Kasi nakita ko to eh. Yung akyata ng pusa. Di naman nga. Alaga naman. Pero alam ko kung saan nakalagay ang tae ng pusa. Nandito ang cat litter. Ayan. Nasaan kaya ang... Ha? Ayun, sabi ko na sa'yo, mami eh. Pusa yun eh. Yung ito, pwestuhan ng pusa. Tapos, ayun, dito naamoy ko. Tapos yun oh. Yun ay kinakalmot niya, kaya yun ay nasira na. Yeah. Hello. Ayun, no, bakbak ang ano. Bintana. Nabakbak yung ano ng bintana.
May suot niyang kuman.
Yeah, there's like family entertainment. Washroom sa basement. Kwarto. Furnace. At saka ito storage. Ayan, may pantry. Ganda din. Ganda yung basement. Let's check the room upstairs. Ayos yung mga cabinet niya, no? Laki ng rep. Oh, let's go. Let's check the rooms if we can. Check the rooms. Tara. Tara. Carpeted stairs. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, pag-akyat mo to the right. Ito. It's the main bedroom. Yeah. And there's a walk-in closet. Yeah, this is the master's. This is master's.
There's a ukulele.
Yeah, I think they're musicians too. That's the washroom. It's nice. Yan yung switch. Yan o. Bango. Main bedroom is facing the the street. Let's check. Ilang bedrooms ba ito? 3 bedrooms din. Bali, 4. Kasi sa baba. Oh, plus 1. Yeah. Shared bed, shared washroom. This is, what's this? Oh, the laundry, yeah. Alright, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. It's a good one. It's just the pets. Because I really don't like pets. Cats. The school, especially for him, junior high school. They say, according to the internet, it says he has to go to St. Matthew, which is so far from here.
That's right. Yes.
So far.
Yeah, some people put in submissions for other schools, but that's upon acceptance.
Yeah.
So yeah, your designated one would be seeing that.
Yeah, we try to research if, like for example, the legacy will be open and
They said they will only serve legacy when it opened next 2026.
and that's what we're considering as well, so that they can just go on their own for the school, which is
Yeah, I think it's we're looking at two more houses.
Yes,
after
we got
this,
2 more
yeah.
to look at.
Yeah, the other one I think it's the best when it comes to school for the kids.
Yeah, I have
Yeah, the
so in Walden right now, and then we also have
the one in Cranston is the
Cramond.
Cramond, yeah.
Yeah, one closer to Mackenzie Town.
Yeah. So far, the looks, the house is good.
There's garage, the
Yeah,
basement is
this is actually good. It's just the school we're considering. Yeah. Let's go. 58 Cramond. Oh, in-air ko na niya isang kwarto.
Kaya na lang ang upuan din eh.
Oo nga eh, tambayan eh.
Ayan o, maganda ng buwan.
Tambayan. Gusto mo, tatapyasin mo yung mga pataas.
Kamukha na kina Tito. Kamukha na kina Tito dyan. Halos. Ano?
What's this? What's this tree?
I'm asking him.
So let's see this one. 4-bed, 2.5 bath, built in 2001.
This is
About
the
1,100
silent
square
fall.
feet, just under 1,200.
It's turning fall.
May aso daw.
Ha?
May aso daw.
Yung kahoy doon sa taas bulok na.
Tingin. Ay, oo nga. Oo nga, ano. Medyo bulok yung taas na yun. Sa side.
Laki.
And ang laki ng backyard. Where's the backyard? Amoy ipis.
Kaya nga.
Ano ba? Laki ng backyard. Mami, backyard is huge. Let's go. Kamukha ng hagdanan nila dyan talaga. Yung entrance, oh, same na same.
They're still living there, that's right.
Where is it? Is it written that they have dogs? Is it on the post?
No, they leave, there's a section for realtor only notes.
Ah, okay.
Iwan ko sa labas.
Yeah, I think they renovated it. Oh no. Akala ko may nag-knock dito.
Hindi yung sapatos.
Last time when we had the tour as well, we saw this kind of staying, and I said, oh, this is like expensive.
It is, yeah. This is considered an upgrade in the new builds, and it's because what they found was that the counter with their standard sink, sometimes they'll build up underneath. This one is flushed and it's separate, so you can remove it. Like you can easily remove this and get this replaced, so it doesn't damage your counter. It looks like they were.
Here's the pantry. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
That is the area for the dog. Look, they have the
Huh?
cage there.
Oh yeah.
They
Oh,
have
but
their own spot.
the dogs won't be able to stay there for like during winter. Is that this is the basement, right? Mommy, can we check the basement? It smells still nice.
It's still nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's still nice. Oh wow, there's the room. This is a room. It's actually a room. Yeah. And then there's a family like entertainment room here. And they both have windows, mommy. Even this room, this space has window, and the other one, the room. Yeah. How does it look? The washroom? It doesn't seem like they let dogs in here.
If they do, they kept it really well.
Yeah.
The dogs are well behaved.
Yeah. Would you have any information about furnace or the water tanks
For which, sorry?
for this house?
Usually our inspectors will tell us the age of the furnace and the water tank.
What is this for?
This looks like an AC unit.
Oh.
They removed it, or is it working?
No, this is the portable one.
It's
So you can
portable.
choose which room it goes into, and then it.
Or they're just gonna do it?
Because of the light.
But if it's white,
Tsaka walang...
It looks like it's just the vent.
Oh, what's this? Yeah, I don't know what this is.
let me see.
Yeah,
Oo nga.
may lumulubog. Gusto ko to. Madilim lang kasi ang ilaw nila yellow. Kasi ang mga puti, mahilig sa dilaw. Ayaw nila ng mga mapuputing ilaw. Kahit nga salas, wala silang ilaw. Pag Pinoy, gusto maliwanag. Yeah.
Kasi malungkot pag ganitong ano.
I don't know why. I think Canadians prefer yellow light.
Which?
They like
Oh,
most of the
lighting, yes.
most whites. I mean the lighting is always yellow. Filipinos always the bright.
It's like mood lighting.
Yeah. That the living room is nice. It's bright because of the large window. I don't know. Yeah, antique. Like it's from their old house, probably.
Probably it's a
So,
memorabilia.
pag-akyat mo, right is the yeah. This is one issue. Oh, yeah. It's like from an old cabinet, I think. I think it's permanently like that. I just want to see how the back looks. Oh, this is the front. Yeah, just hold it. Okay. So this is the front.
May pool.
Yung main room. Okay, put it down. Mami. Yung nakatira dito matanda, ano?
Ay, mas masaya pa yung kwarto
Nakatira dito ay matanda.
Nagaling yan sa mga dati ng gamit.
Perfect view of the backyard. Kaya siya big kasi walang space for the walang ibang garage parking.
Ang parking
Ano yun? Wala silang sasakyan? They don't have car?
probably it's just in the front.
Sa front lang?
Yun lang ang pangit.
Ang pangit. May bakali lang. Kaso, kaya pala malaki yung backyard niya. Kasi wala siyang garahe. Walang spot.
Hindi mo pwedeng ipakat yan.
Pwede naman lang din niya. Mag-aayos ka pa. Ayan, tapos sisirain mo tong lawn na to para lagyan ng graba or ano. Yan mangyayari. Ang kakaibang klaseng closet to. I wanna go to the backyard. Ay, washroom plus the laundry.
And then there's cabinet for stuff.
Oh, okay. Bago pa to nang, oh. Ito. Yeah. Yeah, I think nagkikip sila ng dog dito. Yung side na yun talaga yung may dog. Ito, side gate. Meron siya side gate dito.
Tingnan natin.
Ito yung likurat ng bahay. Ang daming gulay oh, kamatis oh. Nahihinog na. You can do whatever you want at this backyard, right?
Yes.
Like you can open it, put the cars in. It's up to the owner, right?
Yeah, because you have this gate right here. What some people do is they'll make a concrete pad.
Yeah.
And then you can park your car. You also have the option to later on is build a garage, just like the neighbors did here. They would just copy the same.
So
you just have to
yeah.
remove the shed.
So it means if you're gonna like really build a garage, it will take this space up to here. Yeah. Up to here. This is what remains from your lawn. Oh, this will be garage. But it's a big one. Yeah. Yeah, it's technically single, so you have more privacy.
That's why.
2,000 years later.
Dito? Ito yung last house na titingnan namin for today.
Oh, there's an homeowners association fee.
Oh.
This one is $215 a year.
$215 a year.
Not bad.
Not
Not bad.
Kasi isang buong
Yeah.
taon naman.
How about the other ones? Like the last one that we checked? They don't have?
Condo fee every month.
Oh,
you're
every
paying,
month you
right?
pay.
Yes, yeah. Usually the HOA fee is to manage the whole community. From what it looks like, it's probably the roads and like a portion of the grass is what they're cutting.
Yeah.
And things like that.
What year is this built? This house?
This one here is built in 2011.
Oh, so it's fairly new. Fairly new, yeah.
100 square feet, 3 bed, and 2 baths and 2 half baths.
You might duplex with 1,400. It's kind of big.
It is. That's a little bit of a surprise to me, but we'll take a look and see.
It has a side gate here to the back. Yeah. Ito pala ang bintana nito ng.
Yan.
Mami, masaya yung lugar.
At saka,
masaya yung lugar niya. Yun nga lang, napakadaming sasakyan. I just don't know why there are too many cars on the street. This houses have garage, right?
malapad kasi daddy, kaya
Ha?
malapad yung ganito, kaya parang maliwanag, masaya. Yung kanina kasi dikit.
Sa Elgin, Mackenzie Town. Moday ng gating.
This one is
Hindi mo sasarahan yung ano. Yeah. Can we open the light so we see how bright it is? Oh, nakatago yung TV doon. Oh, it's a like TV. Do you think our TV will fit there?
Yeah. This TV is big. Tsaka yung TV yung naka-curve ka.
Yeah, what do you think that smell?
most likely cooking.
Cooking?
It stays good.
Yeah.
Probably it stays on the carpet and the wall.
Position here is also 30 days.
Mami, it's kinda a modern one.
Maganda rin eh, pagtabi mo.
Yeah, meron ditong ano, plot si Ardini pero may daan din sa gilid.
Yan o. Okay, ano.
Yeah. So ito yung labas. Side, bali side dito, side. Side gate. Ayan. Mami, sobrang kintab ng floor ano.
Siguro meron silang nakapang ganun.
Sobrang kintab.
Because you can just mop.
Ah, grahe. Garage ano. Nang iyo nga, open mo nga. Ayun, ito. Ayan. Kuya, let's go. Ito yung backyard.
Hindi, magpapabubong ka pa rin.
Bakit ba parang mas masaya ito?
Masaya nga. Bakit masaya?
Kuha ka tsinelas lang.
Sila sa labak.
Ito yung likod ng bahay. Ito yung back alley. 52nd yata yung likod na yan eh. Or Stony Trail. 52nd nga. Ayan yung bahay oh. Itong baling nasa right. Ayan. Tingnan ko muna yung taas. Check namin yung taas. Ayos, ayos. Maganda. Laki.
Ba't mo sa kanya ng plapro?
Ang laki ng space. Pasok na pasok ka siya. Anak, basa doon. Lumabas ka. Yapak ka. The basement? Yeah, there's a parking pad enough for 2.
3 cars fit in there.
No, I think only 2. Yeah. So this is where you put all the jacket. Oh, ha? Nang? Laki nga. Oo, mas maluwag ba? No?
For a duplex, 1400.
Kaya nga eh. The parking is not much. Huh? Yeah, this is smell of like the new houses. Gusto ko to.
Ah, yun nasa picture na
Yeah.
may...
There's no. I think there's no bedroom here. It's just this space here. Yeah.
Storage.
Very. It's huge. Oh, it can be a room.
Hindi lang siya na-finished.
Yeah. No, ito nga yung ano mo eh.
Ito yung finished. There's one
That's
room.
me.
And then this one is the storage. Ayan o.
Oh, I didn't see this part. I think there's no picture of this.
Hindi yari,
Yeah.
storage.
But it's
Ito
big.
for bedroom, I think.
Huh?
Kung gagawin
Yeah,
yung bedroom.
yeah. There's no aircon, right? Like just a furnace. Yeah.
Air
Where's the
conditioning.
Where's the tank?
Company.
This space is big. Yeah.
Ginawa nila tong storage.
There's even more space here.
Ano to? Hindi pa... Ay, carpet pala. Nakapatong sa carpet.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? The centralized vacuum thing?
Yes.
Mommy, you know the house that we cleaned before? They have this thing. Like when you're upstairs, you clean, the dust will be sucked in here.
I-attach mo lang yan doon sa mga nakasama
Yeah,
sa taas.
nasa taas.
Which is good.
Furnace.
For the carpet.
On and off.
Kala ko ano to.
Oh, ang lakas ng tunog yan.
Yun sa... Doon sa yung...
Ang liit ito. Di bali, basement lang naman.
Built already, that's why.
Yeah.
Ano siya, half finished, half...
Yes, I finished.
524.
Let's just tour one day.
Yeah, it's just...
Let's see the...
Let's check the upstairs. Mami, sabi ko yung TV natin kasya rin dito na. Yeah. Curve pa nga ito eh. Nak, ilaw, lights. Let's open all the lights. Makita natin yun. Oh, there. Nice. Sana. Mami, let's check it. Si Kuya sabi. Ay, ganda. Gusto ko nga.
I like that corner.
Maliwanag. Ay! Johan, familiar. Mami, ay kuya, bebe, meant to be. Meant to be. Meant to be. Parehas kayo.
So many.
Naman ko yung dalawa. Lima kami yun.
Ay, hindi, yung galing Pinas. Diba?
Yeah, pero mayroon pa kaming 4 na yun.
1 bedroom. Say.
Daddy,
Ha?
ano yun? Yung
Street?
storage na yun na tabi ng basurahan.
Hindi ko alam. Parang atin, ano?
Oh, ayun na, dito may pinto.
Kung ano, magiging tatlong kakarkasya dyan.
Kaya nga.
Oo, ano? Hindi ko napansin yun.
Ayun yung lock, oh. May lock doon.
Yeah, dito
Storage
nga.
na yun.
Storage. But it's outside. Maybe yun, stuff for your car.
Kung magpapagawa ka nga ng garage, yun ang
Yun
magiging
na.
space mo talaga.
Ayan, Meron sila.
Maganda.
Ayun, yun. Garage. Built garage. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. At saka, wala kang kapitbahay sa likod. Gusto ko nga ito. Bakit?
For some reason,
This is the shared washroom. Huh?
for some reason, I just like to look down because I'm not scared.
Let's look at that. The washroom.
Two up here and then two halves.
This is the main.
The washroom.
This is the
Closet.
closet. The walk-in closet. Wow. Laki.
Laki.
This can be your room.
Ganda.